Hello, welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Welcome if you're returning. Welcome back. I will fix that by live. I'm going to eat meatballs dipped in ranch. I if you're new here, welcome. Click that subscribe button if you're returning. Welcome back. Delicioso. Meaty. They are. Tender on the inside. Hold on. My bait. We need to I'm watching it live. Wow. We've been filming. I'm gonna go to it live. I'm gonna do a lens live. Oh. On my friend mail video, I have Sunny's channel linked in the comments. Because I upload from my phone. And I don't edit. And for me, I don't edit. I'm not. Edited from day one. You will not see a video that's been edited on my channel. Because I want you to see the real me. But for those who edit, I got nothing against it. I just don't. I grab. Maybe in the future I might, but for now, no. Well. I should learn to edit. Only because I'm a dancer at the end of the videos. But then I'm thinking, nah, that's me. If you don't like the real me, click off. Is what you see here on my channel is what you get. I'm sorry. But what's on my channel is meat. And Charles, I know I'm fat. You don't need to tell me that. I know I need to hit the gym. You don't need to tell me this. I'm proud of who I am. I'm proud of who I am. So I don't need no dang trolls. To tell me to hit the gym. Because I know who I am. And I'm proud of who I am. You don't like it? Bye. Click off. So, that's it. And I hope you all have a fabulous starry night wherever you are. Bye.